It's your girl Teelokeyyy, and you know the key is in your hook. So today, y'all, I got some news I've been waiting to tell y'all. I got some news, and I got something to show y'all real quick that I'm so proud of myself for doing. I wasn't going to do it at first because I was like, what's the point? But I did it. So, y'all, I got this mail. This package in the mail. It said, congratulations from the yarn. Congratulations from the Craft Yarn Council. I completed Crochet Level 1 Teaching Certificate. And here's my certificate, y'all. I completed Level 1, y'all. I'm officially a certified teacher. And I also have my pin. Let's open it up together and see what it looks like. Okay. Hold on. I hope it don't cut off. But anyway. I might have to do another clip to this because it's taking me a while to get it. Okay, I'm opening up the pen. I didn't really look at it, but okay, let's get it open. It's a really cute pen too. Craft Yarn Council Instructor Certified. I'm certified, y'all. I'm certified. Look at that. Hold on, let me go. Hold it a little different. I'm certified. Ooh, proud teacher. I gotta pin it on me every time I teach. Thank y'all. I just wanted to share that with y'all. It's your girl Teelokeyyy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. So right now I'm doing an unboxing, and as you see, I got a new background. It's real. It's a real background. It's giving what's supposed to be gave. I gotta straighten it up. But guys, guess what? I got some new yarn. So I got these two. This is a red and this is a cranberry. I got a whole bag, y'all. I got a whole bag. I need some more colors to put behind me, y'all, and use. So I got some white. I love this pink, yo. This is my favorite color. This is my favorite color family, so I had to get me one of these to see how it looks. Got one of these. Got some brown. A lighter brown than the dark brown. Of course, black. It's a whole bunch of yarn in here. Lime green. Let me see what's the name of this. Hold on. Give me a second. Limelight. It's called Limelight. Y'all, it's cute. More black. Got another cranberry for this project I'm doing. I got a lighter brown. I think this one is cinnamon. Yeah, this is called cinnamon. And I got gray, of course, because a lot of my projects request is gray. So I got some grays. This is all the yarn that I got. And these, on the lookout, because I'm going to probably add on my little setup of how I did this background right here. So I got about 20 skeins of yarn, I think 20. I believe it's 20. Yeah, so it's 20, and I gotta do the setup behind me. So stay on the lookout. I know it's been a while, but I've been making content. If you don't follow me on all my social media platforms, you're not updated. I'm on Twitch now, y'all. So I'll be live on there if you want to catch me live. I'll be on Twitch chatting with the peoples and creating. So if you want to see more of me, follow me on my social media platforms. They're down in the description. And stay tuned because it's more to come. Love y'all. Love y'all very much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl, Teelokeyyy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. You're not going to finish it. Ooh, I like that blue. I think I just got one. Possible. No, this is a little bit of a setup. I had another yellow, but I'm using it, so it's out. And yes. Where we going? Where we going? Cause where we going?